Now, the Aravalis are not only India's oldest mountain range, they also happen to be a lifeline to hundreds of species of flora and fauna.
That's right. That's why there have been several orders that have been passed banning any sort of construction or mining activity in this area. However, Headlines Today investigation found out that these activities continue unabated, sometimes right under the nose of the authorities.
Now, time to stop them has come, and in fact, it is running out.
This range of the mighty Aravalis is a world in itself. Flora, fauna, both peacefully coexist in the lap of nature. The lush green cover adds to the beauty and ensures that every life that inhabits this beautiful piece of land survives and flourishes. But far from the busy national capital, the soothing silence of nature is facing some serious threat, the ramifications of which could be nothing less than devastating. For decades, the capital, the authorities, the caretakers have ignored Aravalis, and now time is running out before the situation reaches the point of no return. Indiscriminate stone quarrying and illegal construction in the forest area are ravaging the range. The Aravalis are on the verge of slowly being trampled under the feet of massive urbanization. And our investigation has exposed the bitter truth, the truth which will be buried in the heart of Aravalis forever. Every day, the grand old range is exploited, being reduced to a victim of a well-planned conspiracy. Many earlier bans on illegal mining and construction in the Aravalli Hills continue to be flouted. Every morning, some movement takes place stealthily. Illegal construction rearing its ugly head right under the nose of authorities. This place, which once took care of not just Delhi but showered its affection to the NCR, Rajasthan and Punjab, is no longer cared for. As the big JCB machines butcher the range, experts fear of dangerous consequences.
Over the period of time, जब हमने इन खूबसूरत जगहों पे दूसरे तरह की ज़िंदगी तलाशने की कोशिश की, अपना अकामतगाह बनाना शुरू किया, अपना घर बनाना शुरू किया, तो जो इसकी ज़िंदगी है वो कम होने लगी.
Once a blessing for the farmers in Delhi and NCR, the Aravalis no longer are what they used to be. Farmers recall.
सर पहले इतनी बढ़िया अरावली थी कि हमारा मन लगता था, हरी भरी थी, खेती थी, पेड़ पौधे थे और कोई खाने वगैरह नहीं थी.
The illegal movement in Aravalis has led to some geographical transformations as well.
बारिश ऐसा होता था जी कि बारिश इतनी तगड़ी होती थी कि 3-3, 4-4 दिन तक बंद नहीं होती थी. बहुत भारी वर्षा होती थी और अब तो बारिश का नाम ही नहीं है सर.
इंडिया के लिए ये स्काई लाइन है, एक ऐसी लाइन है जो राजस्थान से आने वाले डेजर्ट को और ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि रेत के तूफान को रोकने में मदद करता है.
In the man versus nature clash, man has forgotten that messing with the nature in the name of development will be of no consequence.
और जब आप ऊपर से तोड़ते हैं तो इसके आसपास जितने वेजिटेशन जिसको ओवरबर्डन कहते हैं उसको आप नष्ट कर देते हैं.
Despite much having been said, little has been done to save the range. Though a biodiversity park had been commissioned, the situation is no better.
तो यहाँ पर हमने इसको एक कंसेप्ट में लेकर आया कि हम इसको बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क के नाम पे डेवलप करेंगे और वो भी अरावली बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क, और वो भी दिल्ली की बायोडाइवर्सिटी को हम यहाँ पे एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे.
सेंट्रल एम्पावर्ड जो कमेटी बनी हुई है उसके बावजूद भी ये क्यों होती रही?
The Aravalis, once the lifeline for the densely populated north, is being ravaged by man and smothered by the desert. What's needed now is to expand the ambit of the biodiversity park and take immediate remedial steps to stop illegal mining. Time is running out. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.